Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. For me, it's the morning. Welcome to geometry and welcome to the lesson on lines and line segments. This is a diagram of a line. Notice the arrows in each end. That's how we know it's a line. And what do those arrows represent? It means that it goes on to infinity in each direction. There is no end to a line. Now on that line, I labeled 2 points, A and B. It only takes 2 points to define a line. So we can call that and name that line AB. Now the way we would write that is we write AB with a little line on top. This right here is the symbol we use to describe this line, and we call it line AB. You'll find in geometry that symbols are very important. We need to use them so we know what we're talking about. Below, you see a line segment. Now, what's the difference? Well, you can see what the difference is. There's no arrows on the end of the line segment. The line segment has 2 points C and D, which are endpoints. And as you know from math, we can use whatever letters we want. A, B, C, D, E, F, it doesn't matter. So this is line segment CD. It is finite, which is the opposite of infinite, and it has endpoints. And we write that line segment CD like this with a little bar on top. So you see the symbol on top of the letters tells us if we're talking about a line or a segment. Now, since segments have endpoints, they can be measured, they have length. A line segment has no length, it goes on forever. You can't assign it a number. But a line segment can be assigned a number, and let's just say this line segment has a length of 7. Now the way we would write that, we would say CD equals 7. We would put no symbol on top of it. This means, the symbol means we're talking about the line segment, the geometric object. CD with nothing on top is 7, which is a number. So we're no longer talking about the line segment, we're just talking about a number, which is what the length of that line segment is. Now if we come back up here to the line again, you see it's line AB, but within that line there's a segment called AB. We could kind of cut off the ends and just talk about what's between A and B, and then we would have line segment AB. And we would put the little bar on top without the arrows, meaning the segment. So here's line AB, here's line segment AB. So in geometry, you're going to have to get used to saying line or line segment or triangle or circle or whatever you're talking about, and using the correct symbols so that people know what you're actually referring to. Now here's a vocabulary word for us today. Collinear means on the same line. So if points are collinear, it means they're on the same line. So here's an example. A, B, C are collinear and B is between A and C. Those are words. We have to draw the diagram that goes with that. So what I would do is I would draw our line segment and put 3 points on it, A, B, and C. Now the reason I know it goes like this is because collinear means they're on a straight line, and then B is between A and C. So A and C are the endpoints of that line segment. Now there's also a line segment AB, there's also a line segment BC, and since they're on the same line, they make line segment AC. Now we can add line segments together. Adding line segments together is just like adding numbers together. So for example, if I said that AB was equal to 6 and BC was equal to 3, what would AC be? Well, if this part is 6 and this part is 3, and you want to know what the whole thing is, what do you think you would do? If you said add them together, you are correct. 6 plus 3 is 9, so the whole line segment is 9. So adding line segments together is just like adding numbers together. It's kind of done the same way. All right, let's just do that a couple more times and make sure we're on the right track here. Okay, you see 3 more examples like this, right? So what we see here is AB is 9, BC is 3. What is AC? Well, just like the